This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. A volcano watch has been issued to all mountain zones. This is the result of the earthquake an hour ago. A volcano watch means a volcano will not likely to erupt, but it is imminent at this time. Please stay tuned for more information.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Management Agency. A volcano warning has been issued for a 500-mile radius of the Yellowstone Park. At 12 p.m., the Yellowstone volcano has a high seismic activity that will erupt. If you are in a 500 miles radius of Yellowstone Park, evacuate immediately. Pack food, water and a battery-powered radio. I repeat, evacuate immediately.